Here we see the raw steel coils being unspooled and flattened by robotic rollers before the stamping process.
The journey begins as massive steel coils arrive at the factory. These raw materials are cut, leveled, flattened by powerful robotic rollers, preparing the steel sheets that will soon form the foundation of the vehicle. These raw materials are cut, leveled, flattened by powerful robotic rollers, preparing the steel sheets that will soon form the foundation. In the stamping hall, giant hydraulic presses thunder into action. Flat steel sheets are shaped into doors, hoods, roofs, and panels, capturing the precise contours of the car's design in seconds. Dozens of robotic arms move in perfect harmony, welding stamped panels together. Sparks light up the scene as the car's skeletal frame, known as the body in white, takes its first solid form. The bare metal body enters a dust-free paint booth. Robots carefully apply primer, base coat, and clear coat, sealing the surface and giving the car its smooth, glossy finish. Robots carefully apply primer, base coat, and clear coat, sealing the surface and giving the car its smooth, glossy finish. Robotic suction tools place windshields and windows flawlessly. Doors are aligned and mounted, completing the car's exterior structure. In a highly controlled area, technicians and robots assemble engine blocks, pistons, crankshafts, and fuel systems, creating the mechanical heart of the vehicle. technicians and robots assemble engine blocks, pistons, crankshafts, and fuel systems. The painted body is carefully lowered onto the chassis. The engine, transmission, and interior merge into a single fully assembled vehicle.
All right, phase 9 complete. We are ready for the next one.
The vehicle's cabin comes to life as dashboards, wiring harnesses, seats, airbags, infotainment systems, and interior trims are installed with precision.
Make sure the harness is clear on your side. Got it. Lowering the seat now.
That's the last piece.
Finally finished. Looks perfect. We finally finished the interior.
Looks perfect. Great job.
Advanced 3D scanners and skilled technicians inspect alignment, electronics, lighting, braking systems, and sensors to ensure perfection.
.3D scanners inspect alignment. Technicians run electrical checks, headlight alignment, brake tests, and sensor calibration.
Alignment on the front right is still slightly off based on the scan. Noted. The brake test passed, but I'll double check the electrical connections.
Advanced 3D scanners and skilled technicians inspect alignment, electronics, lighting, braking systems, and sensors to ensure perfection.
All diagnostics complete. Sensor calibration shows green.
Perfect. The alignment is spot on.
All systems clear.
We passed the extra inspection. Great job, everyone.
Each car is driven on a factory test track. Acceleration, braking, suspension, and noise levels are tested to meet strict performance standards. The completed vehicles are lined up, ready for shipment, loaded onto transport carriers. They leave the factory, prepared to hit roads across the world.